Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having the most fabulous day. For today's video, I'm going to share with you a little Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this is going to be a true unboxing, and this item I purchased from eBay. I'm so excited. It's been such a long time since I've shared like an eBay unboxing on my YouTube channel. Most of the time I've just unboxed them on Snapchat because I've just been too excited, but this one is really special and I've been on the hunt for this item for at least a year and a half now, so I'm so excited to like have a look at it with you guys. Okay, let's move straight into the unboxing. So this is the parcel that I received. I'm so excited about this one, and how I'm going to do it is I'm just going to go straight into opening it and then I'm going to, you know, start talking about it. I'll give you a sneak peek first. This item didn't come with a box, but it came with pretty much everything else besides a receipt. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's nothing else inside the bag. Just comes in this little pouch. Just take that off. And comes all nicely bubble wrapped. Alright, so this is the dust bag here. Can you guys guess what it is according to the shape? It's a little SLG. Whew. What the eBay seller said was this one is like new, so I'm excited to see the condition, and all the photos look great. I've been searching high and low for it, and it's just really hard to find one in Australia. I think I paid a pretty good price for this, but I'm so glad that I've finally found the one. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous because I haven't actually seen this color in real life. I'm dying to see what it is. Okay, enough chit chat. I'm just gonna open it. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Wow, this one smells so new. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Introducing to you my Louis Vuitton Empreinte Cles, and this one is in the color Rose Ballerine. Oh my gosh, and seriously, this one smells brand spanking new. All right, I'll just give you guys a close up. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Oh, it is so cute. Like, there is no wear on the button at all. And this is the back. And on here, the zipper is like brand new. I don't think she even used this item. I seriously don't think she used this one at all. I think she's just bought it and just left it there. All right, so first impressions, this color looks really light. It's got a gold little press stud button here, which says Louis Vuitton on it. The leather of this feels really tight and firm. It's not squishy, which means that she hasn't even used it. I'm just so surprised. It's got a little zipper compartment at the back. And let me have a look at it. Wow. So there's seriously no dust, no dirt, no nothing in this. Like, I don't think she even used this. I'm just going to open this up. And so it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And it's got a little press stud button here, which says Louis Vuitton on it. And on the inside, oh wow. Oh, so it's got the little monogram Empreinte card. Ooh. And then in here, it's got a little skewed card. But that's what it says. And on the inside, you've got that little chain here. Let me have a look at the chain. She didn't have a photo of the chain. But wow, seriously, it's like there's no scratches on it. There's no wear, there's no nothing, there's no scuffing. The date code reads that this was made in the 29th week of 2015. So it's got the little date code in there. I'm not sure if you can see that. On the inside, it's really nice and clean. There's like no wear to it at all. The glazing is perfect. So how I came across this piece was that I saw this one on eBay, and every single time an item that matches this description pops up, it would show up on my eBay app. So I've been on the hunt for this for the longest time, and I cannot believe the condition that it's in. It is in amazing, immaculate condition like she described. She had this one up as a buy it now, and she listed it up for 30 days, and I saw it on the very first day that she listed it up. I was just so lucky, and there was like 4 other people watching this, and I can't believe that they didn't buy it. So the price that she listed it up for was 710 Australian dollars, and then there was $15 postage, I used an eBay 5% off code. All up, it cost me 675 Australian dollars. Plus, it's a really rare, hard to get item. I'm really happy with the price I paid for this one, especially the condition that it is in. That's the beauty of eBay. Like, you can find the most amazing, rare, limited edition, hard to find pieces. Because I've searched high and low, I've searched everywhere, seriously everywhere. I'm never letting go of this piece. I can't believe that they discontinued this color. Rose Ballerine is the most prettiest Louis Vuitton pink. So I'm going to use this one as a little mini wallet, which is really cute. It will be perfect to fit into like my mini bags. It's a perfect size to put cash and receipts in this compartment. I can probably put 1 or 2 keys, but girl, you know my key stack is massive, so I don't think that would work. And I'm going to use this back compartment to put coins and USB cards and stuff like that. I'd love to know your thoughts on this little piece here. Do you have an Empreinte clay in Rose Ballerine, and how much do you love it? Do you use yours as well, or are you too scared to use it because you might be scared of like color transfer and stuff like that, because it is a light colored pink? But yeah, I'm definitely going to use this and I'm going to love it. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That would be amazing. Come join the family. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please take care, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.